Hello, this is Jawad and welcome to my channel. Today I don't have a typical project. I haven't planned for this, and the background that we're doing a renovation on the roof and we needed to install a new drain grill to the old pipes, and the fitting that fits on here is much. This is a standard 4-inch fitting, while the drain pipe that I have is larger than 4-inch. It's not 6-inch, it's not 5-inch, it's probably metric, but it is definitely something that I couldn't, or I didn't even need to look at a special fitting in the market. It was much easier for me to come down to my X-Carve. I just got a big cutting board and cut this fitting to install here, and as you see, it's easier to put from this side. Alright, that I was able to create a literally perfect fit, and the outer diameter of this one fits perfectly to the pipe I have. One idea I took from assembling the X-Carve and understanding how the eccentric nuts working for tightening. So as you see that this gasket is also eccentric, so the two circles are they did not share the center. I don't know the technical word for that, but this gives me the ability, when I'm rotating this and installing this grill, while rotating it, I have a little bit of adjustment up and down when I'm rotating this before it is glued. So this gave me an extra advantage than if I would have gone out and bought a fitting. So it was, sometimes we complain that the CNC is a little bit slow, but honestly, for this it was much faster and cheaper to come down, draw two circles on easel, put in the outline, inner for the inside for the inner one and outside for the outer one, and let the CNC carve it while I'm doing something else, then take this and work with it. It's easier and faster than going out and shopping something or ordering something by post. So it was custom made. This was the first part. The second part, the way this grill, let me put this here, the way this grill is installed is this way. The drainage pipe is on the side. So now when they're redoing the installation, there is the insulation membrane. It's actually asphalt sheets, 5mm asphalt sheets, which will come, all right, under this one, and then it has a special fitting for the pipe on behind. But above that, there is another membrane that allows any leakage from the tiles that will be tiled on top of all that insulation to follow the slope, the drainage slope of the whole roof under the tiles, and it needed a place to come here. And they showed me a picture of how it should be. This specific drain grill did not come with that, so I went to the kitchen, got a cutting board, and cut this. All right, so this is gonna fit in here. All right, so the water from under the tile, any seepage will go to the drain. All right, and then the tiling will come on top of this, and the rainwater on top of the tiles. We're tiling it because it's a terrace, so we're not tiling the roof, but we're using it as a terrace. The roof, I have a flat roof, so we're gonna tile it, so the tile will come on top of this and drop here. Again, there is nothing too complicated in terms of the CNC. It's very simple files to cut this. It's just rectangles that are cutting not the full depth of this. This I think was 11 millimeters, So I was cutting 7 millimeters and keeping 4 millimeters to keep it intact. It is Teflon material. I really haven't done research how well will this live with the elements, but I don't think it's that critical. I think the Teflon will survive. So this project is not about skills in any skills in drawing. This was very simple even for me as a beginner, but it was about an application that I needed something. I was able to get a household item and solve a problem without going out and buying something or ordering it. And this specific grill does not have this accessory, so it had to be custom made, and I had the luxury to do it. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Thank you very much and have a good day.